A TPMS with long battery life ensures continuous tire pressure monitoring, enhances driving safety, reduces maintenance, and minimizes sensor replacement costs. My today's video is about top 5 best TPMS with long battery life that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Roadtech TPMS Kit 8 Cap Sensors. This TPMS is an excellent safety upgrade for anyone towing campers, trailers, RVs, or livestock haulers. The easy installation process and wireless sensor pairing with Roadtech monitors makes setup quick and hassle-free, even for first-time users. Once connected, the system continuously monitors tire conditions and provides active alerts for pressure loss, overheating, and other critical issues before they become dangerous problems on the road. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to help prevent tire failures, blowouts, and uneven wear, giving drivers greater confidence during long-distance travel. By detecting problems early, it also contributes to improved fuel efficiency and reduced maintenance costs. The sensors are compatible with both metal and rubber valve stems, offering broad vehicle compatibility and installation flexibility. Overall, this TPMS delivers reliable real-time monitoring, enhanced safety, and peace of mind. Its combination of convenience, accurate alerts, and preventative protection makes it a valuable investment for anyone who regularly tows heavy loads or travels long distances. Now our second product is AKTV8 Pressure Tech Wireless Monitoring System. This TPMS delivers precision-focused safety for drivers who demand reliable tire monitoring on every journey. Its high-accuracy sensors measure both tire pressure and temperature up to 150 psi, helping maintain optimal performance and road safety. Users can choose between cap-style sensors for a traditional fit or inflate-through designs that allow easy tire inflation without removal, making it highly convenient for motorcycles, cars, powersports, and RVs. Built for durability, the IP6K9K waterproof and dustproof rating ensures performance in harsh environments, while optimized Bluetooth transmission provides up to 2 years of battery life under normal use. The companion mobile app for iOS and Android enables real-time monitoring, multi-vehicle management, and customizable pressure alerts for effortless tire care. With an enhanced signal booster kit, the system maintains strong long-range Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring for trailers, RVs, and everyday vehicles. Overall, it is a complete, reliable tire safety solution designed for confidence and efficiency on every drive. Our third product is Time8 TM2 RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring System TM2 is a feature-rich safety solution designed for drivers who prioritize precision and convenience. It offers 6 intelligent alarm modes, including fast leak detection, high/low pressure alerts, high-temperature warnings, and sensor fault notifications, ensuring comprehensive tire protection. The system automatically sets baseline pressure during pairing, simplifying alarm threshold configuration for effortless use. Built with efficient, low-power external sensors, it delivers up to 6 months of battery life and around 2 years of total lifespan, while maintaining accurate readings with minimal error. The IP67 waterproof rating and prepared factory setup enhance durability and user convenience. Flexible power options, including solar charging, USB, and cigarette lighter support, ensure uninterrupted operation in all conditions. Its vibrant color LCD with adaptive backlight improves visibility day and night. Supporting up to 10 tires and long-range signal transmission, the TM2 is ideal for cars, SUVs, RVs, and trailers, offering reliable, all-around tire safety monitoring. Now number 4, Auto TPMS Sensors Set of 4. The Auto MX Sensor TPMS system stands out as a highly versatile and professional-grade solution for workshops and advanced users. Its dual-frequency design, 315 MHz plus 433 MHz, allows one sensor SKU to cover up to 99% of TPMS-equipped vehicles, significantly reducing inventory complexity for repair shops and distributors. Built with OE quality standards, it delivers stable signal transmission, strong battery performance, and long-term reliability with minimal failure risk. A major advantage is its unlimited reprogrammability and 100% clonable functionality, allowing technicians to reuse sensors without waste while enabling fast, contact-free batch programming of up to 20 sensors using compatible Auto tools. The system is designed specifically for Auto TPMS programming devices, ensuring seamless integration and efficient workflow in professional environments. Its press-in design with interchangeable rubber and metal valves makes installation quick and OEM-like in performance. Covering most passenger vehicles across global markets, it simplifies replacement tasks while maintaining accuracy, durability, and consistent sensor performance. And our last choice is Vexta's TPMS Relearn tool, only for GM vehicles. The Vexta's TPMS Relearn tool is a practical and time-saving solution designed specifically for GM vehicles from 2006 to 2023, including Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Opel, and Cadillac models with 315/433 MHz systems. It simplifies the tire pressure sensor activation process, allowing users to reset or relearn TPMS sensors within just 1 to 2 minutes, eliminating the need for costly dealership visits or workshop assistance. Its one-button operation makes it extremely user-friendly, even for beginners. By placing the tool near the valve stem and activating Learn mode, users can quickly sync OEM sensors, making tire replacement and sensor maintenance far more convenient. However, it is important to note that it is not compatible with heavy trucks or external TPMS systems. Built with a sensitive sensor chip and a high-quality immersion gold circuit board, the tool ensures fast response, accuracy, and long-term durability. Overall, it is an essential maintenance device that improves safety, reduces downtime, and helps maintain optimal tire pressure for a safer driving experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.